Hey guys, and welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I will show you how to unblock yourself on Facebook if someone blocked you. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. First of all, you will need to know that if someone blocked you on Facebook, there's something important that you should know first. Unfortunately, you cannot unblock yourself. Facebook does not provide any option that lets you remove a block placed by another person. Only the person who blocked you can choose to unblock you. Of course, if you are not sure whether you are actually being blocked, just try searching the person profile. If it doesn't appear, you can't, for example, open their profile while other people still can. You can try that if you have different Facebooks, or just ask your friend to check for that person profile. There is a good chance that you've been blocked. So, an example here, you're going to the search bar and you're trying to search for, an example, specific person. So, if you can find an example, the person Facebook, that means you're not blocked. But if you can't, that means you are blocked, especially if you can find this on other Facebook accounts or with your friends' accounts. Keep in mind that they may also have deactivated or deleted their account if you can't find it with any account. So if you want to connect or reconnect with them, your only real option is to contact them outside of Facebook, such as through a phone call, email, or another social media platform. If you have another way to reach them, just be respectful and avoid sending repeated messages, and be careful, as an example, with videos or website that claims that they can unblock you automatically or throughout a trick. Facebook basically doesn't support that, and many of those methods simply doesn't work. Keep in mind that you can still contact them if you are in the same group as them. For example, a group that you've already been together at, you can contact them there. And that's basically what you can do. And that's all there is to it. So if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button and watch our next videos. So goodbye.